Hey everyone! If you're sick of the endless hype and false promises about making money online, you're in the right place. I've tried every get-rich-quick scheme, from drop shipping to trading, and I've lost a lot of money along the way. Don't worry, I don't have to sell you anything like many others do. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing the raw, unfiltered truth about what it really takes to succeed online. Plus, I've got an unexpected twist later that will change the way you see the whole game. Let's dive in. Everywhere online, influencers promise that you can make thousands overnight with their secret formulas. But here's the truth. Those glossy videos never show you the endless trial and error, the sleepless nights, or the money lost. I've been down that road, chasing every secret method, and I learned the hard way that success online requires real effort, strategy, and resilience. Let me share a bit of my own story. When I first dove into making money online, I believed every influencer's promise. I invested in expensive courses, tried every trendy method, only to be met with rejection and heavy losses. I was frustrated, disheartened, and on the verge of giving up. But every failure taught me something invaluable: how to research properly, manage risks, and realize that real success isn't instant. It's built on every hard lesson and every misstep that forces you to adapt and grow. Let's clear up some of the biggest myths. Just copy my steps, and you'll make thousands overnight. There's a secret formula that guarantees success. The truth is, none of that is as simple as it sounds. What they don't show you is the constant struggle, the long nights, and the failures that are part of the journey. Success online isn't about shortcuts. It's about learning, adapting, and putting in the work day in and day out. So, what does it really take to build genuine online success? It boils down to 5 essentials. Knowledge. Immerse yourself in your niche. Learn from free, credible resources instead of expensive courses. Consistency. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. Daily, persistent effort adds up over time. Adaptability. When one strategy fails, be ready to pivot and try something new. Patience. Understand that real growth takes time. Data-driven decisions. Monitor your progress with real data and let it guide your next moves. These fundamentals are the backbone of everything I've learned from my own failures and successes. After all my failures, I've tested many methods and found 2 that truly work. The first is digital product creation. Instead of chasing every hyped-up strategy, I focused on creating digital assets like e-books or print-on-demand products that can be sold over and over. Here's the process. Creation. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about. I spent months researching before I created a guide that genuinely solved a problem. Platform setup. Publish your product on affordable platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Marketing. Use social media to post short, engaging videos that showcase your product. Once you discover what resonates, replicate that formula. A single viral video could bring in thousands of dollars. But be aware, it takes time to develop quality content and stand out in a crowded market. The second model is YouTube content creation, a method that I've personally invested in for years. Building a YouTube channel is a long-term endeavor that, when done right, unlocks multiple revenue streams. Key steps include niche and audience research. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has real market potential. I spent weeks analyzing trends and understanding my target audience before launching. Content production. Develop high-quality videos through scripting, filming, and editing. Consistency is key. Monetization. Once you hit the required thresholds, YouTube lets you earn via ad revenue, memberships, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Understanding metrics like CPM, what advertisers pay per 1,000 views, and RPM, your actual revenue, is critical. Optimization. Always refine your strategy by tracking your click-through rates and audience retention. I broke down 2 proven business models: digital product creation and YouTube content creation, each with its strengths and challenges. Remember, success comes from hard work, ongoing learning, and adapting to the reality of online business. If you found this video helpful and refreshing, hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS insights, and leave a comment sharing your own experiences or questions.